So now I am explaining examples on again tangent only, but equation of tangent to the parabola, circle, ellipse, hyperbola at the point x1, y1 here. Okay. So equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. Parabola y square equal to 4x. Ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Then hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. These are different curves here. Conic sections. Here you have to find the equation of tangent at the point x1, y1 here. In this case, if you replace x square by x1, y square by y1, x by x plus x1 by 2, y by y plus y1 upon 2 in these curves here, then you will get equation of tangent at the point x1, y1 here. Okay, very simple here. So equation of circle is there. So just replace x square by x1 here. Write y plus as it is. Replace y square by y1 is equal to a square is there. Write a square as it is. Then equation of the parabola y square equal to 4x. We want to find the tangent here. In that case, replace y square by y by 1. Then 4a into x. X is this x plus x1 divided by 2. Here 2 ones are 2 2s are cancels here. Remaining is a 2a. Hence 2a into x plus x1 here. Then equation of ellipse is this here. Replace x square by x1 and replace y square by y1 here. Then denominator terms keep as it is here. Then this becomes a tangent. Again hyperbola, replace x square by x1, y square by y1. Denominator a square, b square keep as it is equal to 1. Then this becomes a tangent to this hyperbola here. Okay. So equation of tangent at the point x1, y1 here. If the line x minus 2y is equal to 12 is a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 at the point 3 comma minus 9 divided by 12, then the length of the lattice rectangle of the ellipse is 4 options are there. First option is 8 root 3, second option is 9, third option is 5, fourth option is 12 root 2 here. Therefore here equation of ellipse is this here, x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1 is the equation of ellipse here. Okay, equation of tangent to the ellipse at this point here. So equation of tangent to 1 is so x square is there. Just replace x square by x1. Here x1 value is 3 here. Okay, therefore x into 3 divided by a square, then plus here. Replace y square by y1 here. Y into y1 is minus 10 divided by 12 here. So minus of 9 divided by 12 whole divided by b square, that is equal to 1 here, which is equal to 1. Okay, so here it is not 9 by 12 here, it is 9 by 2. So just replace here 9 by 2. Okay, so minus 9 upon 2 divided by b square is equal to 1 here. Then take this 2 to denominator here. Hence it is 3 divided by a square into x minus plus into minus become minus. Take 2 to denominator, 9 divided by 2b square into y is equal to 1 here. Okay, so take this one as equation number 2 here. Okay, here we are using the formula x1 divided by a square plus y1 divided by b square is equal to 1 here. Here x1 value is 3 and y1 is minus 9 upon 2. So use here in this formula we get this equation. After simplification we get this here. But they already given here this is a tangent here. They already given equation of tangent is this here. But given tangent is x minus 2y is equal to 12 here. Take this one as equation number 3. Okay, here is a tangent, even here also tangent, means both represents the same line here. Hence 2 and 3 represents the same line. 2 and 3 represents same line here. So there is a one formula here. Suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, then a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So both represent the same line if and only if a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is equal to c1 divided by c2. We are using this formula. Here both represent the same line if and only if their coefficients are proportional here, means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Therefore here 2 and 3 represent same line here. Therefore here 3 upon a square divided by 1 here. Okay, so 3 divided by a square divided by 1 is equal to minus 9 upon 2b square, minus of 9 divided by 2b square divided by this minus here, divided by minus of 2 here. Then that is equal to, so 1 divided by 12. Okay, so it is 1 divided by 12 here. Take this a square to denominator, 2b square to denominator here. Yes, 3 divided by a square is equal to minus upon minus become plus here. So 9 divided by 4b square is equal to 1 divided by 12 here. Therefore 3 upon a square equal to 1 by 12. 3 divided by a square is equal to 1 divided by 12, and 9 upon 4b square, 9 divided by 4b square is equal to 1 divided by 12 here, and take its reciprocal here. Hence a square is equal to, take a square to numerator, 3 to denominator here. So a square divided by 3 is equal to 12 here, and here it becomes 4b square divided by 9 is equal to 12 here. Therefore cross multiplier, so 12 3s are 36 here. Therefore a square is equal to 36. A square equal to 36, and here you can cancel here. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, cancels, 9 3s are 27 here. Yes, b square is equal to 27. A square is 36 here. Therefore the value of a is 6, and b square is 27. Hence b is 3 root 3. It is 3 root 3. Here you find the length of a lattice rectum here. Okay, therefore length of a lattice rectum. Therefore length of lattice rectum formula is 2b square divided by a. This is the formula. Therefore this is equal to 2 into, here b square value is 27 here. So right here 27 divided by, and the value of a is 6 here. So right here 6. Therefore just to simplify here, we can write here 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are, then the 3 1s are 3, 9s are. Therefore 9 is the answer here. Length of the lattice rectum is 9. Yes, B is the correct option here. Okay, 9 is the correct option here.